Oh yay, welcome back. So today I'm going to share about something very interesting related to animation. There's one kind of animation we call it as sprite animation. Okay, so I did prepare some images that you actually can use for this workshop. Okay, firstly I will actually import these images as usual. Okay, put in image. Okay, just get this right animation. Get everything. Okay, so here you go. Okay, how we actually create this animation. Okay, so let's say I create it as a button as well. You can actually create as an image also can, but I will show you with the button interaction in here. So when you create a button, okay, I will normally set it to back to 0 and then put it here for the first sprite, set native size. Okay, so currently right now you may see very small. So let's say you feel that, okay, I want to change this color for this background. You can actually go to the main camera, change this color. So let's say I change to, yep, this look good for me. So I will delete the text because I don't need this. Okay, so right now probably nothing will happen yet. So when I actually play on it and make sure I can click this button. Yep. Okay, so let's go to animation. You have to open the window called window animation window. Okay, so when you actually open up this animation window, you will have this layout you will actually see from this window. Okay, to create the animation, you can actually create from here. Okay, then normally I save in my animation folder. You can just save any name. This one maybe I call it burst. Okay, burst. Okay, then to record an animation, you must make sure you press on this record. Then this timeline will become red color. Okay, cool. So to make it, select everything, shift, select the first one, shift until the last one. Okay. Drag this, everything here. Okay. So right now, you will just, you saw this animation is actually playing. That we call sprite animation. Okay. Yeah, nice. So let's say if I'm actually feeling this is actually too fast, you can actually always change this frame per second. Now it's actually 60. Maybe you can change to like probably 30. Yep. Then this timeline will be stretched out. Then, yep. Now looking good. Now if I play this from Unity, okay, this animation automatically play already, right? But in fact, I actually want to make like when I click on this animation only can play. Okay, so you need another window to see it. You have to go to window, animation, that's called animator. Okay, so right now with this button, okay, so you actually saw there's an entry point and burst. Okay, let me explain. So right now the animation, the entry point is actually go to the burst. That's why when we start to play from here, it will actually automatically play this animation already. So let's say I want to control it not to play when I start the game. So I can actually right click, create a state called empty, and then I name it as idle. Okay, so right click, set as layer default state. So So the entry point right now will go to Edo. Okay, so let's say if actually I play from the Unity side, so the animation will not be actually playing right now because the entry point is actually go to the Eidos, so it just won't move. Okay, so this is what we wanted. And then when I click, then only play this animation. Okay, so remember it's a button animation, there's an on-click function. Okay, go to the script folder. You can actually create a C# script. Maybe I can call it as button sprite animation interaction. Okay. Okay, so I create an empty game object, reset the position, and then I name it as script folder. Okay, so I will actually put the script just now that I create, button sprite animation interaction. Okay, then double click to open the script. Sorry, my computer is actually a bit slow. Okay, so after you actually open the script, okay, to actually create a button function is actually very easy for the on-click. So you just actually have to create a public void function, press button sprite, or you can actually call press burst button. Okay, cool. So here we will actually put a debug.log to test it out whether our code is actually being called or not. Yes, get to press. Save the script. Okay, now we have to test our script already. Go to your button. There's an on-click function. Press on the plus. Okay, get the script holder and then select on the press burst button function. Okay, so when you play, okay, look at our console window. When you click, yes, I get to press. If I press another time, get 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. So that's what we have. Okay, then right now I want to play an animation. So animation can be played is actually because of there's a component called animator. Okay, if it doesn't have this animator, it won't be working. Okay. So right now in our script, I must actually get just now that animator, public animator. Oops. Okay, public animator, and then I will call burst button and anim. Okay, so here is our action already. When I press the button, what we wanted to do. So burst button.anim.play, play what animation clip. Okay, so right now play what here is actually referring to this animation name, okay, called burst. Okay, then here I should actually put burst. So if you actually put different name, then you must actually follow the animation clip name. Save the script, go to your script holder. So whenever you create a public something, right, it should actually come out in your editor. So here, who is the animator we want to refer is actually in the button. So drag it inside. Okay, so when you play right now, okay, click on it, yes, it played, right? Good. So let's say I just want my animation to just play one time. You can actually change the bus, go to a bus animation clip, and take this loop time. Okay, when I play, just actually can click one time. Okay, good. Okay. Hope you actually understand the usage of sprite animation, and then understand the animator, how you actually stop an animation at the start, and then when you click on the button, and then you can actually play an animation. Okay. Hope to see you next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So what is sprite animation? Sprite animation could be something like this. So with all single image, and then when it combine everything together, it can have the animation. So another type will be this one. So all this we actually call it as either people call it as sprite animation or call it sprite sheet. Okay, or else in your After Effects or other editing software, animation software, it will actually call PNG sequence or image sequence. So that's what we call as sprite animation in Unity.